How to turn on or turn off Gboard Predictive Content Search on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. Scroll down and click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on this Gboard. After click on Gboard and scroll down and click on emojis, stickers and gifs. Scroll down, and if you want to turn on or turn off predictive content search, so you will see predictive content search is here. So if you want to turn off predictive content search, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see predictive content search is turn off. So if you want to turn on predictive content search, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see predictive content search is turn on. You will turn on or turn off predictive content search from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Gboard predictive content search on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.